Welcome back. I was gone this weekend and returned home to find that my mid-year CoraCrea Crafts dream calendar has arrived. It retails for $199 on their website, and you get free US shipping if you spend over $75. So let's take a look inside. Been waiting for this. It contains 12 days of surprises, and you can use it when you need a pick-me-up during the summer, or if you have a birthday, you can celebrate 12 days of your birthday. And the boxes are numbered. I didn't know if they would be. And let's turn this around. I am going to move this box off to the side, but you can see the box it comes in is absolutely gorgeous, and these are all gorgeously decorated. So you can use them for more than just opening this and recycling. You can use these boxes afterwards. So I'm going to move this to the side, and we'll start with day one, which is a very good size box, and we'll see what we have. While I was unpackaging, I noticed that it also comes in a storage box that is this beautiful, same design as what the mailing box is. So that's even more awesome. So here we have day one. And the outside of the box is beautiful on the very front there. So let's see what we have here. Looks like we have a journal. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's got the deckled edge handmade paper, 2 signatures. Beautiful starry sky night with constellations and flowers and crescent moons. Very nice. Day 2. This has something foam here. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a pen. And it matches the journal. I wonder if there's a pen loop on the journal that I didn't see. Let's take a look. No, no pen loop, but you could hook it on there if you wanted to. Very nice. Day 3 has this lovely butterfly design on it. Oh, these open this way. This is another foam insert to protect the product. It was really hard to get that out of the box. I didn't want to break the box. This is in there pretty tight to protect. And it's washi tape. Look at that beautiful design. Another beautiful design. Oh, this will be so nice to work in the journals. CoraCrea has lots of amazing journals on her website that she has created and put on there for us. Oh. Here we have page clips. Here we have the fox. And the owl. Those are beautiful. I love those. These are to hold your journals open while you're decorating or writing in them. Okay, this is day 5, and she has the witch on the front of this one. And again, we have the foam inside to protect what we're getting for the day. Oh, these are the ornaments. She had some spoilers on her channel. I tried not to watch too many of them, but you know how it is. You get excited and you want to see what's going to be coming. And the tassels are wrapped separately to protect them. This is the unicorn. And this one is the butterfly. That is beautiful. Day 6. Oh, what is this? Is it another book? Let's see. And I love how everything is in the foam protectors. Oh, it's background papers to use in your journal, and they're sized just right. How amazing is that? I love it. Look at all those beautiful papers. And you even got paper that matches the journal. Love that. Day 7, we have a fairy sitting on a mushroom. Oh, and we have pre-made seals. These aren't just the flat stickers. These are self-adhesive, and there's 13 in the package. And the colors are perfect to go with this journal. Oh, I'm loving it. Day 8, and we have the owl on the outside of this box. Oh, and we have stickers. These are the medieval type stickers. It's called Midsummer Dreams 20 pieces set. So it's sticker strips, and I think you can cut these apart if you want to, or you can use them as one long tape. Let's pull them out and take a closer look. They're not kiss cut, so you would have to tear them apart or cut them apart if you want to use them separately. Oh, and here they even have some scenes. Isn't that pretty? day 6. Oh, wow. Oh, these are like book clips. You clip this on your paper and put this down in. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that. This one is a star, and oh, it's a pin. This one is. It has a backing on it. This one is another bookmark. And here we have another pin with stars. It's beautiful. Coralie, you have outdone yourself. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is day 10. And we have another box. What do we have? It says keepsakes. Oh, and you can keep all your special treasures. This would fit perfectly in there. Keep them safe. Oh, I love it. You can maybe also put your clips in here if you want to do that. But for now, I'm going to keep these safe in here. Love them. Absolutely gorgeous. Day 11. Here we have the mermaid. Midsummer Musings. I'm guessing this is another paper collection. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a paper pad. But you could use this in your journaling for backgrounds. It's got calendar days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So that's your weekly chronicles. You can do your week on there, put it in your journal. Add other things as you go along. Beautiful. And here we have the deer with the tree of life and an owl up here in the tree. These boxes are absolutely gorgeous. And we have Mystical Midsummer little sticker book. And I've needed a new sticker book from her. I used my other one up, and so I'm ready for a new one. Some very beautiful stickers here. Easier to see them. This is page 1. This is our next page. I don't know if this is showing up. It's a tree. Here we have the faces of the moon. Absolutely gorgeous. She did a winter advent calendar for Christmas time, and I really enjoyed that. And I must say, I really enjoyed this one too. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful products, beautiful designs, beautiful boxes that you can reuse. Just all of it. So these are available on her website, CoraCrea Crafts, and you can go and get your own box if you like what you've seen, and treat yourself for this summer. I'll see you next time. Bye now.